So here at IBHS, ClarkPowell has been a big help in us really going to a much more virtual space very quickly thanks to COVID, but also increasing our audiovisual capabilities here at our research center in South Carolina. We've added the capabilities of streaming and all the robotic cameras from our large test chamber. We've increased our AV capabilities in our large conference room, bringing in high quality studio lighting, as well as the controls to be able to use that more effectively and teach and bring people inside the different hazards we study here at IBHS. We're sitting inside our small media studio. This also can bring in chamber feeds. We have a control room next door that can access all those chamber feeds. And the folks at ClarkPowell have been great working partners for us to really enhance our capabilities and the ways we can communicate all the research we do here at IBHS.